If you put a rental property inside of a trust to avoid the probate process, you're exposing all of your other assets to the liabilities of that rental property, like tenant lawsuits. And so when you have a tenant lawsuit coming after the rental property, it's coming after the owner of that rental property, which would be the trust, and it's coming after all the assets that that trust owns, because they don't have asset protection from each other, because the trust owns all of them. And so when that happens, that tenant lawsuit can access all the other assets inside that trust, whether it be your family home, your investment accounts, your bank accounts, checkings account, etc. It can access all of those. And so if you want asset protection for your other assets, but you still want the property to be inside the revocable trust to avoid probate, one of the ways that you can do that is to put the rental property inside of an LLC, and then put the LLC membership interest inside the revocable trust. And then when you have a tenant lawsuit coming after that rental property, it's isolated to that LLC and cannot access the other assets inside of that revocable trust. So this way, your other assets have asset protection from the liabilities of that rental property, and then all of your assets will be able to avoid the probate process when you pass away.